Hello, hola, konnichiwa. There is something that I need to talk about, and I don't usually come on social media to talk about certain things, but when you see me coming to talk about something like this, you must know that I'm really disgruntled, I'm disappointed, and I am absolutely upset. Yes, I would love for you to leave me a comment and let me know if I'm being irrational or I am exaggerating or, overreacting. Now, if you look on my Facebook page and Instagram page, you will see me posting stuff about, even my latest video on YouTube, posting stuff about curried mutton. It's a popular Jamaican food, curry goat, right? And even the lady, she thinks a curry goat was vegetarian food. Anyways, go and watch that video if you don't see it, because it's funny bad. So I have been posting even on WhatsApp, so persons who are privileged to have my number will see my posts on WhatsApp, and I have been getting some responses that I do not like. No, especially for persons who are living in Jamaica, I am utterly disappointed and I'm disgruntled. I'm looking there, so because I don't know if them people here will come and say, "What me there, so?" Anyways, I want to catch a lady in the video. For sure, no, how me feel. The woman the back there, so show how me feel. Yeah. People have been posting emojis and stuff like that regarding my curried mutton that I cook here in Japan. If you know me and you have been watching my videos, you'll see that I'm a Jamaican living in Japan, right? Sorry for the noise, I'm on the roadside because I really can't wait to do this video. And persons have been putting emojis and all kind of stuff and crying faces and stuff like that. Hear what I say now? Listen to me and listen to me properly. All the Jamaicans will have the goat them in them backyard. All the Jamaicans will have the goat man them number. We have the shop them right in front, beside, behind them, where them can go buy goat. You know how far the goat, me say me have to order the goat from Tokyo. God bless Lattice Kitchen. God bless Lattice Kitchen for give me the opportunity to get the Jamaican food them, so me can kind of feel comfortable in this whole new world. Let me go say this little one. God bless Lattice Kitchen. You can find her on Instagram. You know how far the goat meat come from? You know how far the goat meat come from? You know how much money, you know how much yen, you know how much yen me pay for the goat meat? And no come, I beg me. Me say anybody else beg me, I go tell them no, you're not getting any. I'm tired for say no. People are saying crying face, oh it look delicious. Look, you don't have the goat them, you don't have the goat them at your disposal, you know. The things them me I forgot you. You see the curry come from America. The curry where curry down the goat come from America. Wow, look at the nice sunshine there. The curry come from America. You hear me? And some of the curry come from Jamaica. So far, no man, I have to catch this radiant, beautiful. Wow. It's nice, so beautiful behind me. No matter what weather it is, this is the land of the rising sun. You will see the sunset still trying to push his way out. Can't catch it good. Yeah. People are walk and I beg me curry goat. Look on the things them when I have to go through to get the curry and the goat. And the Jamaicans have the curry and the goat at your disposal, and I come and beg me. Me say me tired of it. And I have to talk about it. I am tired.
I am tired.
Uno two stay bad. Uno two stay bad, man. A long eye, a red eye. I make a red eye, so. Make sure bow and cross, because I don't want a man to say me disrespectful the phone and he want. You understand me? You want to make a red eye, so. Me not going to talk to you again. I am not going to talk to you guys again about this behavior. It is not right for you to have this thing at your disposal. You know, me could have run across the road like this, no? And they come and beg me. Only two beggy. Me say, no, uno nah get none, and me not talk again. Alright, boom bang, I'm out. Hello, hola, konnichiwa. I guess.